you see the tornado ahead of us?
It's on the ground.
Clear right. Oh, big tornado to the left too. How big is it behind us? It's a big tornado to the left. You want to roll your window?
Yep. Roll it.
It's going east. East to west. Getting sucked into the main one. Here. I can see it. It's like there's a new one forming to our south. Trying to form a tornado to the west-northwest. Hang on, right here, right here, right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Right on top of it.
Yeah, right here's good. Stop! 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 Stop!
Yeah, that's it.
Do not go any further. Consider backing up.
We got Kevin right behind us, so.
Big motion to our east. This is RFD. Keep going. And punch through it. Don't go too fast, it'll lift the vehicle off. Westerlies are good, are our friend right now. Go ahead and send it to me. Yeah. It's just to our east. Vehicle up and down. Big time RFD here. It's really bouncing the vehicle. May ought to point it into the wind even. Can you point it? Can you do crosswise?
No,
yeah.
No.
Beautiful, stop right here. Perfect. I think it is. It's all westerly, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's now trees everywhere.
We may have trees across the road.
Okay. Yeah, we gotta.
Oh shit. Don't get penned in here.
Yeah.